So the latest news is that the epic Malayalam film Marakkar Lion of the Arabian Sea is directly coming on OTT platform, which is Amazon Prime. Now at the point of making this video, it's still not officially announced, but a very reliable source called Let's OTT, they have confirmed it that it's done, it's signed, it's sealed, and it's happening. The movie is directly coming on Amazon Prime, and I really trust that source because they have been correct all the time in the past. I've said it many times in the past on this channel that this was gonna happen anyways. So now why it went to OTT, why not theaters? Let's discuss about it. Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince, and I posted about this on my community tab as well as Insta story and asked all of you your thoughts, and there were many opinions about this. Some people said it's a correct decision, some said no, it's wrong, you should have released in theaters. Now the one question I got a lot was why they are not releasing it in theaters when Kurup is coming out, when so many Hollywood movies are releasing in theaters. It's getting normal, they should release it, they'll get their money back and all of that. See, the first thing is ideally this film is made for the theaters. It should be experienced that way. There's no debate about that. But practically today that's not possible because the money put in by the producers, they need to make that back, over that make some profit over it. Otherwise what's the point of making movies for them? For DQ's Kurup, maybe they made their money back and now it's all about the profits. They have done their calculation, and no, it's not an emotional decision. No, we'll put this movie out in theaters only for the fans, it's okay if we face loss. No one thinks like that. If they thought like that, they'll not be in this business. It doesn't work like that. They have made their calculations, maybe they made their money back with the OTT deals and the satellite rights, and now they can take the risk of putting the film out in theaters all around the country and the world, and whatever they earn from that, that's profit for them. So they can take that risk and put the movie out in theaters, and they signed the OTT deal with Netflix, so they did get a lot of money for it. On the other hand, with Marakkar, they spent a lot of money. They need to make it back and then earn profit over it, and a direct OTT deal can give them guaranteed money back. No ifs, no buts, nothing like that. And over that, Amazon did a whole combo deal. They got other Mohanlal films also in that deal, and therefore they paid more. So for the producers, next 5 films are rest assured. They don't need to worry about anything now. They'll get their money guaranteed back. Just consider this. You have a second-hand bike you want to sell. So you can put it on OLX for 20,000, but someone says, I'll give you 15,000 and I'll take the bike at that moment itself. And then there's someone else who's kind of a relative to you, and that guy says, I'll give you 5,000 first, then I'll use the bike for a month. Then if I enjoy it more, then I'll pay you more and more later. But first, I'll only give you 5,000. Now you decide which deal would you take. It's a no-brainer. Now remember, this is not very accurate analogy for this situation, but just try to understand what I'm trying to say. See, today a theater release will not give them reach and box office numbers as it would have given them before the pandemic. There's no way. I'm not even talking about 50% occupancy. So to really make that big money, they need to go to OTT. And this was just the financial thing I'm talking about. Let's talk about the reach the film will get when it goes on OTT. More than 100 countries. The film will be available to everyone on the same day and time. That's what happened with Drishyam 2. The kind of buzz that film made was because of the OTT release. If it would have come out in theater just for Kerala or maybe Tamil Nadu, that's it. Then after a month or two, it would have come on OTT. It wouldn't be the same thing because the noise would have been divided. So definitely it's a sad thing that a theater movie is coming on OTT. I'm sure the fans will be upset, but this is the most practical solution to the problem. And if the film is good, it will be talked about more. It will travel. And that's honestly a really good thing. Through channel membership, you can support this channel and help me continue this journey ahead. And in turn, you get various perks. To know more, click on the join button. For more information, check out the community page. So guys, that was the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this, hit the thumbs up button, share this video, let me in the comments your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed yet, check out the videos. If you like them too, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.